Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find Excel jobs online. Start by exploring major job platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized data job boards. Use precise keywords like Excel Specialist, Data Analyst Excel, or VBA Developer to narrow your search. Filter results by industry, experience level, and desired location to pinpoint the most relevant opportunities. This focused approach will save you time and connect you with suitable roles more efficiently. To stand out, optimize your online profile by clearly listing your advanced Excel skills. Emphasize proficiency in areas like pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and creating complex dashboards. Showcase specific projects where you applied these skills, perhaps demonstrating how you streamlined a process or analyzed a large dataset. Quantify your achievements with numbers, for example, reduce data processing time by 15% to show tangible impact. Networking is crucial for discovering hidden opportunities. Connect with professionals in data analysis and business intelligence on platforms like LinkedIn. Join online communities and forums focused on Excel to learn from others and stay updated. Continuously upskill by pursuing certifications in advanced Excel functions, Power BI, or other relevant data tools. This ongoing development keeps your skills sharp and your network strong. Prepare thoroughly for interviews by practicing common Excel questions and case studies. Many employers will ask you to complete live Excel tasks, so be ready to demonstrate your skills in pivot tables, formulas, and data manipulation. After submitting applications, follow up within 1 week. For interviews, send a thank you note within 24 hours. This shows professionalism and keeps you top of mind.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.